Alright, what's up guys? So now we are back for the decor part. What we're gonna do now at this stage is
we are going to beat the shit out of this thing. Literally beat the shit out of this thing.
You're gonna start with a horse brush. Then you want a wire brush. It is gonna get a little messy. You see, yeah, see that? Thing you want is a burn tool. It's a water bottle full of water. We are going to heat gun it. To do is see how this edge is like there's that big gap.
So I go around the whole thing and just do this. Now, ow, motherfucker. I'm gonna just beat the shit out of it.
I want to show you something real fast, because if you're trying to do like a big chipped look like I'm going for, there's a certain way you have to do it to achieve it. So I'm going to show you how it is real fast. Let me find an edge. Okay, so do you see this edge right here? If you take this and you flip it up, you get your big chunks out. Okay, so again, you hold it like this, flip that sucker up, and that's how you get your big chunks out.
All right guys, we're ready for the fun shit. All right,
we're going to take our water bottle. We're going to spray this. So I got spray bottle, spray, right? We're going to take our heat gun, and you want them real deep, because the only thing that's going to show after you do this flex bond are the deep ones. Look how freaking cool that is. All right, so what I'm going to do is show you how to do the sides of this with a heat gun, because it's going to turn out pretty bomb. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can do it without spraying it with water or spraying it with water. Sometimes I do it both. There's no wrong way of doing this. So I'm going to scoot in. I'm going to show you how to do this. See the difference in texture when you spray it with water versus when you don't spray it with water? I'm going to bring you even closer so that way you can see that. All right, so here is with water. Here is without water. So this is a lot smoother. This is a lot more rough. I'm going to actually go without water just a little bit further down. And the reason why is this is going to make it nice and smooth when I add the flex bond. Let me go ahead and show you what one crack looks like, because I did one on the side. So this is what one crack looks like, or should I say two. So what I'm going to be using is this wood burner. I got this at Sam's Club in a wood burning kit, and I just put this tip on it and it works fantastic. So here is our crack. I drew it out ahead of time. So it goes like this, and then this. So all I'm going to do is take it and trace it down that line. You could do it freehand, but I don't really feel comfortable doing it freehand. I like to see it. So let's get this.
Let's get this cracking.
So here is my front.
Flex bond is going to give our cement or concrete, cement, I want to say cement. It is going to give our texture.
You want a mixer, and then you want a drill. I'm just working with a little bit because this shit dries fast. So now we're gonna put our water in. I'm gonna go all the way around. This is like pancake batter. And I'm using a roofing roller because that's all I had at home. And I just wanted to try this. This was a trial. So when you go extra heavy, then you're leaving all those extra peaks. Smooth it out with my brush. You see, it is rolling it on faster than using a brush. Next, you need to fill the water bottle with a few drops of black paint and fill the bottle up almost all the way to the top with water. After that's done, you want to smooth down the paint with a paper towel, and that will give you the effect that you want. Next, you want to fill in the cracks with black paint, and then take the squirt gun and just keep squirting over top of it until you get the look that you want to go for. Alright, so guys, I know you're like, Jesus, another outfit change? I mean, how long is this video going to be? Well, funny story is I was editing my video. Come to find out, my plug ended up coming disconnected. My wires gave me the perfect opportunity to get this done again. So that way you can see it. Show you why it came apart. Let's take you in. Do you see those wires? It is just a teeny tiny bit sticking out right there. So that is why it came undone. Even though it had really long pieces on this end, the other end was very short, so it ended up coming apart last night. I mean, it stayed together for a week, so I'm not really that upset about it. But now it gives me the perfect opportunity to show you again. What I got here was these, and this is going to help me strip the wire, get some of that plastic off so that way I have more wire together. Then I'm going to put these caps on there. Then I'm going to wrap it in black tape so that way no wire gets to it. Remember, refresher is drill the back side of it with this drill bit. Drill the back side of it with this drill bit so that way you can get your light in. You're going to have to go through the back, through the front. Then you're going to screw your light onto the front of it. Once you screw your light onto the front of it, of course you're going to push your wires back through that hole. Then screw your light onto the front of it. Then what you're going to do is go black to black, white to white. Put the caps on, then tape it all the way around so that way no water gets in. And then your electrical is done. And this is an appliance cord. You can plug it in when it's done. So it's real easy. So I'm going to put the cords together, show you, put the caps on, show you, tape it, show you. Because I cannot get the camera in there and do this at the same time. It's a tight squeeze. And make sure you do all this shit unplugged. All right, so now that's all wired together, I'm going to take these caps and you're just going to screw them on over top, and it's going to keep them separated. And there it is, all wrapped around. Let me tell you, I am sweating my ass off. There is like just enough wire in there. And I almost can't fit in these boxes. When I made them, I thought I left plenty of room, but that door is fucking tight. So, There you go. The build was the first part. The second part is the paint and the wiring. Until next time, peace.